Have you ever woken up but couldn't move? They say it wasn't just a bad dream. In Ilocano folklore, the Batibat is a spirit that haunts trees, especially old balete trees. When its trees cut down and turn into wood for a house, the Batibat stays. It doesn't forgive, it doesn't forget. The Batibat targets the greedy and selfish, those who sleep alone, those who dream deeply, and those who eat a lot. She takes the form of a massive ancient woman who enters your dreams and blocks every exit. They say she sits on your chest while you sleep, pressing down until you can't breathe. Some wake up gasping, others never wake up at all.